Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's quick video, I would like to direct your attention to something really important for you to know if you are dealing with essential oil use, because as you know, in this channel we talk all about essential oils, their benefits, their uses and side effects as well. But there are specific essential oils that are really important for you to know regarding their use and regarding their property as phototoxic oils. So when we say phototoxic oils, we mean essential oils that come from citrus fruits, and these are bergamot, grapefruit, orange, lemon, also mandarin is one of them, and lime. These ones contain phototoxic properties, and they basically contain an ingredient that can cause skin reactions in sunlight. So what does that mean for you? Well, if you basically use it as a massage blend, like using any of these oils that we have listed, any of these citrus oils on your skin, you need to make sure that you avoid direct exposure to strong UV light or strong sunlight. Also avoid sunbed for at least 12 hours after your application. And this is really important as well, and you need to make sure that you do not inhale or use these oils as in through the vaporization system as well. So if you use any of these oils, I'm going to quickly repeat: bergamot, grapefruit, orange, lemon, lime and mandarin, which have amazing relaxing properties as well as mood boosters. You need to make sure that you stay away from the sunlight, stay away from sunbed UV light for at least 12 hours after applying them topically on the skin. So then again, please consult a qualified aromatherapist for specific advice. If you have any questions, pop them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.